Hi, I'm NATASHA DENONA and this is my new sunrise palette. Inspired by the vibrant hues of the morning sunrise, this palette is the ultimate extended shade collection of the cult favorite Sunset palette. The Sunrise palette features 15 brand new shades, including my iconic formulas packed with the highest quality ingredients to create buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly to achieve vibrant, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting looks. Iconic duochromes, velvety mattes, and sparkling metallic textures will elevate your senses and empower you to create your very own radiant works of art. Watch me to find out how I created this beautiful, dramatic, elongated, modern, smoky eye makeup. I will start with Morgan as the transition shade in the crease. Now with Awakening, I'm going to blend the crease. This is a different technique, which I like to use sometimes, blending the crease with the metallic duochrome eyeshadow. This is very unique and interesting because each time when the light hits the brow bone, it gets a different reflection because of its duochrome pearls. Now with CLOVE, I'm going into the crease to give a lot of depth and also to connect this. Try to work with a pretty flat angle, not too high, so it will not make the eyes look short. It will more elongate the eyes if we choose a more flat angle. Now to lengthen the eye even more, look up please. I'm connecting everything with the lower lash line and now sketching and stretching this line out to create an elongated look. Then going up and connecting it with the crease. Now with Poppy, I'm going to blend the outer corner and soften all these edges. Now again with Poppy, I will go in to the center, until the center of the lid, to drag this color inwards just to have another more burgundy moment. Now I will press Awakening onto the lid with a pretty dense brush, so I will have maximum payoff. Awakening is a very beautiful duochrome with purpley pink and mauvey undertones, and using my finger to apply another layer for extra foiled shine. And for the inner corner, I'm always using a small flat brush and applying metallic eyeshadows to the inner corner. It's always best to use flat, dense brushes. And for an extra pop of color, I will add CITRINE to the center of the brow bone.